Lie on your belly with your forearms in front of your chest, palms down, your head up, and the legs slightly wider than hip width. Engage your abdominals and pull your navel off the mat. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, bend your right knee and gently kick twice, first pointing the toes up and then flexing the heel up. Inhale, straighten the leg back down to the mat. Keep your abdominals strongly contracted throughout. And exhale, bend the left knee, pulse once pointing the toes and once flexing the heel. Inhale and lower. Relax the shoulders, keep the core engaged. And exhale, bend your right knee, point and flex. Inhale and lower. Exhale, bend your left knee, point and flex. Inhale, lower. And right leg, point and flex and lower. Left leg, point and flex and lower. Right leg, point and flex and lower. Left leg, point and flex and lower. Right leg, point and flex and lower. Left leg, point and flex and lower. And last time, right leg, point and flex and lower. Left leg, point and flex and lower back down. Now lie on your belly with your shoulders relaxed, arms long by your sides and the palms facing the thighs. The legs stretch straight back with the toes gently pointed and hip width apart. To prepare, inhale and broaden the top chest by rolling the outer shoulders away from the floor. Exhale, pull the shoulders down the back and stretch the top of the head and toes away from each other, reaching through the fingertips and lifting the chest slightly. Inhale, keep lengthening longer. Exhale, release back down to the mat, shoulders relaxed completely. And again, inhale, roll the shoulders back. Exhale, engage the abdominals and stretch the top of the head and toes away from each other, fingers reaching. Inhale and stretch longer. Exhale and release, shoulders drop forward. And last time, inhale, roll the shoulders back. Exhale, stretch the arms and the legs and spine. Inhale, stretching longer. Exhale, and lengthen back onto the mat. Now stretch your legs back with the toes pointed. Extend your arms shoulder width in front of you on the mat. Engage your core on an inhale. Exhale and lift the arms and the legs off the mat into a long, low line. Inhale and hold. Exhale and release back to the mat. And again, take a deep breath in, and on the exhale, float up into a long, low line. Inhale and hold. Exhale and release. And last time, inhale deeply. Exhale, lengthen up and out. Inhale, hold a little longer. And exhale, lengthen back down to the mat. Now bring your hands under your shoulders. Bend your knees and sit back on your heels for child's pose. Stretch the body forward over your legs with the head resting on the floor, arms in front. Take a deep breath, expanding the back body. Exhaling, relax the body completely. And again, take a deep inhale. Exhale, soften and release. And now place the hands under your shoulders and press the floor to come up. Lie on your right side with your feet slightly ahead of the hips and the hips and rib cage aligned. Rest your head on your right hand with your elbow on the mat and the top arm bent and in front of the chest. Keep your hips anchored and stacked one atop the other. Your torso is stable with the rib cage lifted and only the top leg moves. Inhale, take the left leg forward and kick. Exhale, point the toe back and kick. And inhale, forward and pulse. Exhale, back and pulse. And forward and pulse, back and pulse. forward and pulse, back and pulse, last time, forward and pulse, and back and pulse. Now bring the legs to rest together and roll onto your left side. Bring the feet slightly in front of the hips with your head resting on your left hand, top hand on the mat in front of your chest. Inhale, the leg forward and pulse. Exhale, back and pulse. And forward and pulse, and back and pulse. Forward and pulse, back and pulse, forward and pulse, back and pulse, forward and pulse, back and pulse, and last time, forward and pulse, and back and pulse. Bring the legs back together in line with the spine. Roll onto your right side in side lying position with your shoulders, hips, and legs in line. Inhale, lift the top leg up with the shoulders and hips anchored. Exhale, lower the leg with resistance, stretching the leg long. And inhale and lift up. Exhale, press the leg down. Take the top leg only as high as you can while keeping it straight. Bend the bottom knee if you need more stability. And inhale, press up. Exhale, lower down. And inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, press it down. And last time, inhale, lift up. Exhale, and press it back down. Now roll to your left side, shoulders, hips, and legs in line with your top hand on the mat in front of your chest. Inhale, lift your leg up. Exhale, press the leg down. And inhale and lift. Exhale, stretch it down. And inhale, lift up. Exhale, press down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift, and exhale, down. Last time, inhale, lift up, and exhale, press down. Now roll back to your right side and maintain side lying right. To prepare, inhale, lift the top leg, toes pointed. Exhale, circle the leg in forward motion for 5, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Now reverse direction, circling back, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Now bring your legs together and roll onto your left side. To prepare, inhale, lift the top leg with the toes pointing, and on an exhale, circle that leg forward for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And in the reverse direction, circling back for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Come to your hands and knees in tabletop position. Keeping your shoulders over your wrists, step the right leg back straight with the toes tucked under, and then step the left foot back to straight leg, toes tucked under. Now you are in push-up position. Make the legs strongly active. Pull the navel into the spine and draw the tailbone deep into the body to support the lower back. Keep your head in line with your spine and the neck and shoulders relaxed. Inhale to prepare, and exhale, lift the right leg up, maintaining core stability. Inhale, lower your leg. And exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. And last time, exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. And now, changing legs. Inhale to prepare, and exhale, lift the left leg up. Inhale and lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Last time. Exhale, lift, and inhale, lower. On your next exhale, bend your knees and sit back in child's pose. Breathe deeply, soften the back, and then press back up to sitting. Sit at the front of the mat with your knees bent and heels together. Open the knees slightly wider than shoulder width and slide your hands inside your legs and around each ankle. Inhale and pull your navel deep into the spine. Exhale, pull your feet off the mat, balance on your tailbone, holding the C curve, clap your heels together. Hold your balance by actively pressing the legs and arms against each other and stretching the feet and toes. Now we'll complete the exercise by rolling back on the spine, as in rolling like a ball. On the inhale, roll the spine back, balance and clap the heels once. Exhale and roll up to start position, balance and clap the heels once. Inhale, roll back, balance and clap once. Exhale, roll up, balance and clap once. Last time, inhale, roll back, balance and clap. Exhale, roll up, balance and clap. And bring the feet back down to the floor. And when you're able to roll smoothly and balance comfortably, you can clap 3 times in each position. Now come to tabletop position on your hands and knees with your hands shoulder width directly under the shoulders. Take the knees past the hips with the spine and pelvis neutral. Keep the abdominals engaged and the buttocks and legs actively squeezing. Inhale, lower your torso toward the mat, bending the elbows alongside the body. Exhale and push up, straightening the arms. Inhale, bend the elbows and lower down. Exhale, push up. And inhale, bend down. Exhale, push up. Inhale, bend and lower, and exhale, push up. And last time, inhale, press down, and exhale, push up. Now sit back and finish in child's pose, knees wide, head down, arms and shoulders relaxed.